Hello mga kawamat! So sa video lesson na ito, i-discuss ko how to solve logarithmic equation. So that is the learning competency na matutunan mo in this video lesson to solve logarithmic equation. So what is logarithmic equation? It is an equation containing a variable in a logarithmic expression. So, kung natatandaan nyo, in the previous video lesson natin, diniscuss doon yung pagkakaiba ng logarithmic equation, inequalities, and function. So, kagaya nito, dapat meron siyang logarithmic expression. It involves one variable at merong equality symbol dapat na makikita. Hindi dapat inequality symbol ang makikita mo. And that is logarithmic equation. Another example of logarithmic equation, log x plus 8 with base 5 is equal to 3. Also this is an example of logarithmic equation. How to solve? So here's the steps in solving logarithmic equation. First, isolate the logarithmic term on one side of the equation. Second, write the equation in exponential form. Solve for the variable, and last, check to make sure you do not have extraneous solutions. So, but before that, let's have a short review how to write logarithmic equation in exponential form. So, kasi ito ang concept na to ay magagamit natin in solving logarithmic equation. For example, given a logarithmic equation log x with base 5 is equal to 4, paano natin igagawing exponential form yan? Tatandaan natin na ito ay yung base natin, ito ay magiging exponent natin. So that will become 5 raised to 4 is equal to x. So ito yung exponential form nito, ito yung exponential form ng logarithmic equation natin. Another, log of 64 with base 2 is equal to 6. So kapag ginawa natin exponential yan, magiging 2 raised to 6 is equal to 64. Pangatlo, x is equal to log t with base c. So, nauna lang yung pang-exponent natin. So, paano natin gawing exponential? So, that is c raised to x is equal to t. So, tatandaan yung concept na to kasi gagamitin natin on how to solve logarithmic equation. Next. So, for example, we need to solve for x, no? Log 2x with base 4 is equal to log 10 with base 4. So, una class, ang gagawin natin, titingnan nyo kung same yung base nila. Kasi kung hindi same yung base, hindi nyo makukuha yung 2x saka 10. Since same yung base on both side, again, same naman yung base on both side of the equation, so kunin nyo na agad to. 2x is equal to 10. Okay? So, pagkakuha, then divide both side by 2. No? If you can divide both side by 2, 2x divide 2, that is x na lang. 10 divide 2, the answer is 5. And after that, para ma-check natin na tama yung nakuha nating value ng x, okay, check natin using the or yung given natin na logarithmic equation. So that is, substitute lang natin yung nakuha nating x. So log of 2 times 5 is equal to log 10. So 2 times 5, that is 10. So therefore, that is check. So ibig sabihin, 5 is a solution for this logarithmic equation. Next. Log of the quantity of x plus 8 with base 5 is equal to 3. So, paanong gagawin kapag ganito yung binigay na problem? Kanina, meron tayong nakitang logarithm dito sa right side. Pero dito, wala. So, apply natin na rewrite natin into exponential form. So, paano ba yung rewrite into exponential form? Saan ba yung base natin? Yung 5. And this is our exponent. So, copy mo lang to. X plus 8 is equal to 5 cubed. So, ito yung sinasabi kong i-rewrite natin into exponential form. And after that, what is 5 cubed? That is 125. And then, lipat natin si 8 sa right side. So, that is 125 minus 8, or by using the addition property of equality, mag-subtract tayo ng 8 on both sides. So, that is x is equal to 128, 25 minus 8, the answer is 117. So, how we're going to check kung talagang tama yung x natin na nakuha dito sa given equation. So, substitute natin dito. So, 117 plus 8 is with base 5 is equal to 3. So, 117 plus 8, that is 125. So, paano natin makukuha na dapat equal sa 3 yung log 125 with base? Using the property, no? Kapag in-express natin yung 125 into 5 cube, then, di ba, gamit yung property na yan. So, kung ano yung exponent niyan, iyon yung sagot nito. Tama? So, therefore, 3 is equal to 3 and that is a true solution. Therefore, 117 yung value ng x natin. Next. Log of quantity of 2x minus 1 with base 3 is equal to 2. So, this is familiar question doon sa similar question doon sa nauna natin. So, copy lang natin. So, rewrite natin into exponential form. 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 squared. And 3 squared is equal to 9. And after that, lipat natin si negative 1 sa kabilang side o mag-add tayo ng 1, positive 1 on both side of the equation. So, that is 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. And divide both side by 2. Solve for x. So, 2x divided 2, that is x. And 10 divided by 2, that is 5. So, therefore, yung x natin is 5. After nyan, i-check natin kung tama ba yung 5. So, using the original logarithmic equation, log of 2 times 5 minus 1 is equal to 2. So, 2 times 5, that is 10. Minus 1, that is 9. So, paano natin makukuha at ma-check talaga na equal ang logarithm of 9 with base 3 sa 2 using the property. So ang 9 natin, pwede natin express as 3 squared. So, kung same na silang dalawa, at ang exponent mo dito, kung ano yung exponent mo dito, that will be the answer. So, 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, tama yung nakuha nating value ng x. Okay, next. Log of 16 with base x is equal to 2. So, same process class. Gawin lang natin exponential form. So, x squared is equal to 16. So, x squared is equal to 16. After that, anong gagawin? So, we can subtract on both sides by 16. Negative 16, no? So, that is x squared minus 16 is equal to 0. Or in short, lipat lang natin si 16 dun sa left side natin. So, magiging negative 16 is equal to 0. And after that, anong gagawin? So, pwede natin to i-factor out, no? Mapa-factor natin to ang x squared minus 16. So, ano yung factor na x squared minus 16? That is x plus 4 times x minus 4 equals 0. So, kung medyo nahihirapan kung paano kunin yung factors nito, pwede kayo i-recall yung mga video lesson dun sa pang grade 9 natin. O kaya yung mga pang grade 8 lesson natin. Meron doon about factoring. So, after that, we can solve for x now. Solve for the variable. So, isa-isa, isosolve natin. So, first, x plus 4 is equal to 0. Equate natin sa 0. Si 4, lipat lang sa kabilang side, sa right side. Therefore, yung x natin is negative 4. Ito naman, si x minus 4, equate natin sa 0. So, x is equal to 4. Ngayon, titingnan natin kung ang dalawa ba na to ay solution ng logarithmic equation natin. So, check natin. So, log of x with base, log 16 with base x is equal to 2. So, kapag sinubstitute natin yung unang nakuha nating value ng x, that is negative 4, this is not defined. Bakit? Yung base natin ay negative 4. Hindi tayo dapat magkaroon ng negative na base. So, therefore, yung negative 4 is not part of the solution o hindi siya solution ng logarithm of 16 with base x is equal to 2. How about positive 4? So, tingnan natin si positive 4. So, log of 16 with base 4 is equal to 2. Okay. So, 4 squared is equal to 16. Tama naman yan. Or, that is 4 squared. We can express as 16 as 4 squared. So, kung ano yung exponent dyan, that is 2. So, therefore, the answer is true. So, ang tanging solution lang natin sa example na to ay positive 4. Next. Okay, so another, we have log of x plus 1 with base 2 plus log of x minus 1 with base 2 is equal to 3. So, paano to? Meron tayong dalawang logarithmic expression sa left side niya. So, anong gagawin natin? Okay, using the logarithm of product, 'di ba, yung unang laws of logarithm na logarithm of product. So, kapag addition, that is logarithm of product yung i-apply natin. So, mumultiply natin x plus 1 times x minus 1. After that, so, rewrite into exponential form. So, gagawin natin exponential form. So, x plus 1 times x minus 1 is equal to 2 cubed. So, after that, x plus 1 times x minus 1 is equal to 2 cubed. So, pwede nating mag-add tayo on both side ng positive 1. So, add both side ng positive 1 or lipat natin yung negative dun sa yung negative 1 sa kabilang side or yung 8 yung lipat natin dito. So, since that one negative 1 is equal to 8, so that will be x squared minus 9 is equal to 0. So again, pwede natin to i-factor. So anong factor ng x squared minus 9? That is x plus 3 and x minus 3. So kunin natin isa-isa. X plus 6 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to negative 3. Yung isa naman, x minus 3 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 3. So, check natin. Okay, using the original logarithmic equation, substitute natin si negative 3. Okay, negative 3 plus 1 plus log negative 3 minus 1 with base 2 is equal to 3. And negative 3 plus 1, that is negative 2. So, in this form class, hindi wala tayong makukuha. 'Di ba? Dapat same silang 2 para makuha natin na this is 1. So, therefore, sa dyan pa lang class, at dito, yung 2 raised to yung log 2 negative 4 with base 2, hindi natin makukuha yan. So, hindi kasama si negative 3. Tatandaan, kahit walang property na ma-apply natin dito para makuha natin yung sagot nito. At ganun din dito. But, kapag in-apply natin yung positive 3, so, 3 plus 1, that is 4. And 3 minus 1, that is 2. So, dito makikita nyo na we can apply any property of logarithm. Kasi yung 4, pwede na yan, that is 2 squared. So, kung ano yung exponent nito, since same sila, that is the answer. Ganon din dito. Same sila, so ang exponent nito ay 1. So, kung 2 ang sagot dyan, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, 3 is equal to 3. And that is check. Or, ibig sabihin, positive 3 is a solution nung nakuha natin dito sa given na logarithmic equation. Okay? Next. 4 ln 2x is equal to 12. So, paano gagawin? Meron tayong constant number sa unahan ng logarithm natin. So, pwede yan. Unang gagawin nyo, divide natin both equation by 4. So, pwede natin to i-divide both equation by 4. So, pag dinivide natin both equation by 4, that is ln 2x is equal to 3. Bakit? So, 12 divide 4, that is 3. And then, after that, so, ano yung magiging base natin dito? Rewrite natin exponential form. Anong magiging base? ln to. So, this is natural logarithm. Kapag natural logarithm, ang base natin ay letter E. Correct. So, that is, so kapag sinulat natin sa exponential form, E ln 2x is equal to E cube. Okay, so, paano nangyari yung E ln raised to x is equal to E cube? So, this is, ang exponent nito, di ba, ln 2x, that will be 3. Okay, after that, so, 2x is equal to E cube. Using the property, so ang ginawa pala natin dito class, anong tawag dito? Exponential this term, ang ginawa natin dito, both equation, so tinaas natin gamit yung base ng letter E or yung natural logarithm natin. So, both equation. So, E, so ginawa natin base ng E raised to ln 2x is equal to E cube. Now, since same naman sila at dito, pwede natin ma-apply yung isang property, 'di ba? Kapag kung ano yung base dito at kung dito ay same sila, so ito yung sagot natin. That is 2x. So 2x is equal to E cube. So after that, so solve for x. So divide both side by x. So x is equal to E cube over 2. So yan ang value ng x natin. Ngayon, i-check natin kung tama. So 4L and 2x is equal to 12. So dito, pwede natin ito makancel. Okay? So anong maiiwan na lang? E cube na lang. So maiiwan na lang E cube. So, and after that, may 4 tayo dito. So that will become, so 4 times 3. Bakit 3? Kasi class, yung base natin dito, letter E, same sila, di ba? So kung ano exponent, so 3 na yung sagot dito. So 4 times is equal to 12, and 12 is equal to 12. That is checked. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button para updated kayo for more video tutorial. This is your guide in learning your math lesson, your Wow Math channel.